Apple includes a water lock feature in the Apple Watch to avoid unintended taps when using the Apple Watch in water. You can use this feature to water lock your Apple Watch to avoid damages and then eject water from your Apple Watch to clear the water from its speakers. Even if you forget to turn on water lock, your Apple Watch will automatically turn on this feature while swimming or scuba diving. And using the water ejection feature will help you get it working normally again. Here's how to eject water from Apple Watch. To eject water from Apple Watch, we first have to enable the water lock feature if it's not turned on already. To do this, unlock your Apple Watch and press the side button to open the control center. Swipe up and tap on the water droplet icon to enable the water lock feature. You should now see a blue water droplet icon at the top of your Apple Watch face. To eject water from Apple Watch, press and hold the digital crown key until the water ejection process is complete. And that's about it. You have now cleared water from your Apple Watch speakers. If your Apple Watch is still not sounding great, repeat this process a few times to get all the water out. Before you go, click here to find out how to change ringtone in your Apple Watch. If you found this guide useful, do like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.